Every time the boss's wife bent over, the workers pretended to spill juice on her dress. But Lucy did not lose her temper. She calmly took off her mask. Under everyone's stunned stare, she tied her hair into a ponytail with it. Then she went back to playing pool like nothing happened. The customers around her could barely look away. Just then, a man gently put his jacket over her shoulders. For the first time, Lucy felt cared for. She walked straight toward Jack. But Jack had no idea what kind of woman he had met. The best hunters always know how to look like prey. The two quickly became close. But the next morning, Jack was already drowning in regret. He rushed home to reunite with his wife. Then his phone suddenly buzzed. Lucy said she was already at his front door. Jack froze on the spot. Luckily, Lucy reacted faster than him. She told his wife she came to apply as a nanny. Only then did Jack finally breathe again. After that, whenever his wife went to work, Jack and Lucy worked out together. When they got tired, they slipped into the car to play cards. The neighbors soon noticed something strange. One by one, they hid in corners to watch. Jack thought this dangerous happiness could last forever. Until one day, his wife found Lucy's mask in his pocket.